it's time to go to bed. Oh no, you're not sleeping on my bed no more. You got a new bed. Well, I got a new bed? Wait, what? I got a new bed? But yes! You ready to see your bed? Yes. Here is your new bed. I got it from a homeless person for $1. Really, Troy? Really, Troy? All that work I did for you, all the views I help you to get your channel, and this is how you treat me. Sleep in the freaking box. Oh, no. I would sleep on your bed. Even my pet is on there. What the heck? You know, life is not fair. Sorry, Mexican bird, but you're gonna sleep in the box and blah blah blah. Fine. But you fix my bed. Alright, fine. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Come on. He doesn't need a blanket. Come on, what else? Alright, Mexican bird, dang it, I missed. Let's try that again. No, please, no. I'll get you tacos.